Hey Queens, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA, Elite Total Body Care, and Private Label Hair Care Company. So today we are doing a silk press on my client here. She has some traction alopecia going on in the front part of her hair. She also wears a cap on her head every single day for her job. So we kind of feel like that is the culprit of what is going on. So we are going to do a hydration treatment on her using our handheld hydration steamer. And then we are going to do shampoo, silk press, trim, that kind of thing. So we start out by saturating her entire head. I can't really repeat this enough. I know some of you guys just want to throw a little bit of water on there and rinse it. That's not how it works. You definitely want to make sure you saturate the hair. And then you start out by clarifying, which is our Elite Clarifying Shampoo that contains activated charcoal and peppermint essential oils. So we are going to clean the hair and the scalp first, and then we will go in with our Hair Repair and Growth Shampoo, and that will be our treatment shampoo. So just by observing her hair and feeling her hair, I could tell that her hair was dehydrated. And because she wears a cap every single day for her job, she's in the healthcare industry. It's not really an option for her in regards to her hair being out. Her hair is typically, in the same style, up or pulled back. So it's very common for people like herself where because she has to wear something every single day for her job, it becomes a common thing, and then your hair starts to remember that. So what we talked about with her is making sure that she keeps her hair wrapped to try to protect her hairline because she doesn't have a choice as to, wearing the cap or not. And then at the same time, we also talked about hydration, and we talked about making sure she was cleaning her hair and her scalp before she started her shampoo service. So as I said, for the shampoo, we're using the Hair Repair and Growth Shampoo. I had to open a new one. I didn't even know that I ran out because I go through it so fast. So with that being said, we are coming out with stylist size bottles where they'll be able to utilize our products, and we'll be starting a list for stylists who are using Elite Hair Care products, so you guys will be able to find stylists in your area. So that's coming soon as well. Now, if you guys can clearly tell, her hair is nice and clean, so of course it's setting really, really well. But that is really not the focus at this point. The focus is making sure that we are giving her hair exactly what it needs, and that we are aiding her hair in regards to the hair repair and the moisture process as well. So for her moisturizing process or hydration treatment, we're actually going to be doing a cocktail today. And for the cocktail, we'll be using the Moist Me Deep Conditioning Mask. And we'll be cocktailing that with our Super Growth Serum, which is the gray label serum, okay? So what you do, you put a small amount in your hand. And then with the serum, I usually put 2 droppers of serum to a palm-sized amount of conditioner. And then, of course, you want to make sure that you are mixing it together before you place it on the hair. And then the focus is always to put it on the ends first and work your way up to the roots. If you guys notice, I use a very small amount of product, but when you see it on the hair, it looks like it is more than enough. Now, our hydration steamer, as you guys know, they are back in stock. So they are on the website, and they come with our Moist Me Deep Conditioning Mask because we wanted to make sure that you guys had all the tools you needed to be able to do a really good hydration treatment. And of course, I'm using some distilled water, and that's really all it takes, you guys. The handheld hydration steamer makes the job really easy. It's positionable, so you can direct it wherever you need it to be. You can set it down and allow it to just be directed onto the hair. Like, you have so many different choices with using it. And it is always beneficial to do a hydration treatment, especially for those of you that have low porosity hair, or maybe your hair just feels a little dehydrated. I promise you, your hair will feel so different after you are done with your hydration treatment. Definitely feel different. So then after I was done, I went ahead and just detangled her hair really quickly. If you guys notice, her hair just shrank right up. But I'm using cold water to rinse her. That is very important. After the hydration treatment, you want to close the cuticle with cold water, and that's exactly what I did with her hair. And then, of course, you want to rinse thoroughly. I cannot stress how much I do not agree with you leaving conditioner in your hair. Conditioners, unless made as leave-in conditioners, are not made to be left in the hair. They actually make the hair more hard and dehydrate the hair even more over time. So keep that in mind, you guys. When you guys think about leaving conditioner in your hair for long periods of time, it is not going to help. It will actually hurt even more. And then to finish up, I sprayed her down with our hydration and strength therapy leave-in spray. And then we rope twisted her and put her under the dryer.